I think that music is an important part of creating peace on the planet. When you apply an intention to it, like in the case of Earthdance, the intention is peace and creating a synchronicity of peace on this one day throughout the planet with different events. It can be a really powerful thing to help people, not just while they're here at the festival, but to carry this energy when they go home.
We are the Rainbow Tribe, all colors, all races, united as one. We dance for peace and the healing of our Mother Earth. Peace for Tibet, peace for all nations, and peace within ourselves. As we gather now, let us join as one. All dance floors across the world, brothers and sisters united. Let us connect heart to heart, awakening, uniting, breathing as one. Our love is the power to transform our world.
Whatever it is, I like it. I like it. I like it.